Hello, Alpha. How na dey? E clear abi? E clear. IPOB, one family. IPOB, one family. One family, IPOB. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. I don come. My name na Ofoma. Biafra na my country. Nnamdi Kanu na my leader. Now, I wan address this message, this video one they do, so I wan address am to all these churches then, because some of una when me say they call me, they tell me say because of say una pastor never approve am, una pastor never approve am for una to join Biafra, to join IPOB, una no go support am. I just dey pity, I just dey sorry for una. I dey pity many of una, and they come and they disturb me for my ears. Now, let me tell you the reason why I joined IPOB. Man, tell you the reason today. If you think that you are spiritual, I am more. Go ask, they'll tell you. If you feel say you be apostle, you be general overseer, you be bishop, anything when they claim for the body of Christ, I am more. Now, so Apostle Paul talking, so that you will listen to what I won't tell you now. That you are fighting against God, thinking that you are fighting for God, but you are fighting against God. For you not to support Biafra, for you not to support Nnamdi Kanu in this struggle of freedom, you are fighting against God. If I hear una preach for inside church again, say, and God said to Moses, Moses, the Egyptian you see today, you shall see them. If I hear una preach, thunder, better thunder, and I go strike. Because you know why? Now the same thing when the children of Israel experience, now with the experience for this zoo called Nigeria. The reason why I joined Biafra now, I want to tell now today. So I want to know say, even him, Nnamdi Kanu, is a great prophet. Him, Nnamdi Kanu, is a great prophet of God that God gave to us free of charge. We not pay, no payment. You know, say if God they give anything, and free they give you, free of charge. But we value what we get. We value what we get. Now listen attentively. 2015 precisely, when our leader was arrested by the zoo government, a revelation came. Then I don't know anything about Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know anything about him. I've not heard of him before. So when this revelation come now through one of our apostle brother, Kingsley by name, and the Lord said concerning Nnamdi Kanu, he said the church, he said we should rise and pray for the indigenous son. Now so it put on for the indigenous son of Biafra, that the zoo government want to poison him, that the zoo government has taken his name to Saudi Arabia, to India, to evil altars. They never carry name go Bermuda Triangle. I know so many of them when they claim spirituality, and I never know the details of Bermuda Triangle. But man, leave that one. That one are for spiritual minded people. So man, leave that area. Say they don't carry name waka, go different places. He said, but as they call the name for evil altar, nothing they happen. He said because in God, now he raised Nnamdi Kanu to set his children free from slavery, from the caliphate, from Islamic jihadists, all those their killings. Then he said, "Now he raised Nnamdi Kanu." And as they talk, he said, "May they pray for him." He said because they say they don't poison food coming out like 3 times. He said they don't poison, and when they prisoner, they tell you so. This was 2015. Oh, they don't poison food. He said they poison food coming out. He said, but they neutralize the poison them. He said because now he raised Nnamdi Kanu in times like this. Now he raised him. He said, "Me could they pray for Nnamdi Kanu." So me got to say shoe. So let me say even this Biafra struggle self. Let me say God even involved. See. Since that time, now I say if not be Biafra, not be Biafra. If not be Nnamdi Kanu, not be another person. Now follow up with the trend of freedom. Now the reason when make me to follow this great man of God with this. And true, if not be God really call this our leader Nnamdi Kanu, Why it be say all the operations when we say that they operate, they not feel the torsion? Why be say they always overcome them? If now ordinary man and they carry the full weight of Nigerian military come in as therefore don't kill Atete now. If now really God, this man really gets spiritual backup. And you know the funniest thing, anytime say this man talk, they happen. Anytime say talk, they come to pass. If he tell you say now say go be, now say go be. You remember when he said they thought they go Islamize Nigeria? Many of them not believe. Your pastor, you when they claim spirituality, so your pastor fit tell you, but he talk and the thing come to pass. Remember when he thought say Nigeria go become, in fact, Somalia go become paradise compared to Nigeria, and that's what it really be. It don't make many predictions when it come to pass. Not only be the great prophet of Africa, Bible say he talk word, he might tell us say Buhari don't die, and that's true. So the person say food day when we say food day that place Aso Rock. Now you pray from Sudan. Your church pastor fit tell you that one. This man is really a prophet of God. That is why me decide say I must follow him. So you when me say they claim spirituality for that they talk rubbish from your smelly mouth. Not talk with you no know. Follow the train. Now freedom we want. You mama, you papa, you go train pikin go school finish at the end. When the pikin come back from school finish, you go sign work give am. You see that na tailor you go call go learn, you go call go learn how to plait hair. Eh? After you don't train her for school finish, that one na the kind country me say you want support. When they support one Nigeria, man, no worry. So when they come na see prophet in case na for spirituality. Now the reason since 2015, now they follow this man they come. Anytime me say if they do, I they follow. I getting my point. So not wait until your pastor tell you before you go know say this man so now God back him up. The Lord said he raised Ojukwu. He said but Ojukwu has fulfilled his own will. He said but now he got to raise Nnamdi Kanu to finish the final stage of freedom for his people. So all Biafrans all over the world, all IPOB, not they see your leader Nnamdi Kanu as ordinary person. Now God sign up for heaven. Now what he make me they follow and be that. God already sign and say this person now won't use to liberate my people. And now true now so it really be so. So but those of you now when we say don't see fake revelation, those of you now when we say don't see fake vision, they talk about Nnamdi Kanu, mona no worry. I they come for now. I they come for now, mona no worry. I they come for now very soon. I they come for now. I go expose all on our secrets. All na lies, I go dey expose them one by one. How many of your pastor, how many of you na pastor one that they claim pastor, daddy, that is you? How many of them don't feel come out? They challenge this thing when this evil when they are for inside this country, one that they call Nigeria. How many of the pastors then they go there for inside that they tell now they give on a false hope. Mona no worry, mona no join Biafra. Mona no join Biafra. You go there inside church, Funani go come here. They will turn the altar, they go turn the church to mosque. Mona no worry. Mona they form like so na no know what they have for the country. Mona no worry. Mona no join Biafra. Mona no join POB. Mona no follow Nnamdi Kanu. Mona stop. Please follow Nnamdi Kanu. Na me tell you na mona follow Nnamdi Kanu. Na me tell you na. If na for spirituality, forget. Forget. They don't already sign her. They don't already sign her for the spiritual realm. He is a prophet. He is the chosen one to set Biafrans free. And God ordained her. If you like pray from now till tomorrow. Nigeria already dissolve. They already break up Nigeria in the spiritual world. They understand me? IPOB, one family. All hail Biafra. Biafra na our own. And a Biafra we must get. Not to do us.